Airdrop System for DJI Air 3 or Air 3S, versatile payload drop kit for fishing, gifting, and rescue. The BRDRC Airdrop System for DJI Air 3 or Air 3S transforms your drone into a multi-purpose aerial delivery tool, allowing you to drop payloads remotely for everything from fishing bait and wedding rings to food delivery, rescue operations, and marketing campaigns. Engineered with quick-release design, USB charging, and one-button activation, this airdrop kit is lightweight, secure, and fully compatible with DJI's Air 3 series. Whether you're a drone hobbyist, content creator, or professional working in rescue or logistics, the BRDRC Airdrop System opens new possibilities in creative drone applications. Key features: precision payload dropping for DJI Air 3 or Air 3S. Designed to fit perfectly without interfering with sensors or gimbal. Controlled via your DJI drone's remote, one-button operation. Multi-use airdrop functionality. Ideal for gift drops, wedding rings, fishing bait, advertising banners, emergency food, medicine, or even search and rescue missions. Quick release and rechargeable system. USB charging with 150 mAh built-in battery. Fast 90-minute charge time for up to 300 uses per charge. Safe and lightweight build. Weighs only 2.65 ounces or 75.9 grams, won't strain or damage your drone. ABS material ensures durability and safety during release. Enhanced landing gear included. Increases fuselage height by 13 mm. Helps protect the drone's body and gimbal from debris during takeoff and landing. Specifications: material, ABS. Color, dark gray. Net weight, 75.9 grams. Max load capacity, 500 grams. Battery capacity, 150 mAh. Charging interface, micro USB. Charge time, ~90 minutes. Use per charge, approx 300 activations. Fits models, DJI Air 3 or Air 3S. Package includes airdrop system, landing gear set, front plus rear, USB charging cable, hanging wire hook. Who should use this? Drone fishermen needing remote bait drops. Wedding or event planners dropping rings or petals. Marketers doing creative advertising stunts. Search and rescue teams or drone-based delivery pilots. Content creators adding cinematic drop shots. The BRDRC Airdrop System for DJI Air 3 is a reliable, well-designed payload delivery kit that adds an entirely new layer of function to your drone. From romantic surprises to outdoor utility tasks, it's easy to install, safe to use, and opens a world of creative possibilities, all without compromising your drone's performance. Drop it. Deliver it. Elevate your drone's mission. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone gear reviews, tests, and tutorials.